DLP technology is used everywhere. Display and projection products are found inside your home, outside in your backyard, in your workplace, and even in your favorite entertainment venue. We enable this innovative technology in your car with head-up displays, dynamic ground projection, headlights, and window displays. We support your implementation of industrial solutions for imaging and lithography, 3D printing, 3D scanning, and 3D machine vision. We are also helping you create optical network solutions and near-infrared sensing. Texas Instruments. We make getting started with DLP technology easy. From technical documentation to instructional videos to our full ecosystem. Start building your DLP solution today.